I'm Ariel, physical therapist and Pilates instructor, Pilates Santé studio owner of about 20 years. And today I'm here to show you what I think of as the gold standard for lumbo-pelvic stability. Our 90-90 low abs, maybe called dead bug, supine leg work or arm work series in Pilates. Here's the most basic version. Lying on your back, finding a nice neutral position by rocking your pelvis, bringing one leg up to tabletop and the other leg up to tabletop, which is ideally at about a right angle. Taking an inhale here and an exhale to reach the leg away only as far as you can, maintaining a stable spine position. The progression of this movement is to add some arm movement, one or both arms. Opposite arm, and exhale as you reach away. And deepening and connecting in the midline of your core, or both arms. Slow is the name of the game with this exercise. Longer holds and lots of control. I would love to hear any comments from you about the basic 90-90 tabletop lower abdominal exercise that I've shown you.